Mr. Moore? Mr. Moore?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's not shout at people. Let's not raise our voices. Here's the thing. If an attorney is telling you what the state is offering, all you have to do, if you don't want to accept the offer, just say you don't want to accept it, say you want a jury trial, and you'll get a jury trial. But your attorney can't make the state offer you something that you want them to offer you.
It's not what, no. So it's not what they offer, it's what you're lying on and trying to give me. And I know what I did. It was an argument.
Okay, so
It
here's
was
the
an argument. It was an argument. It was
then
an
it
argument.
means you need a jury trial. That's what you're saying. You want a jury trial.
Argument. It was an argument between me and my relatives.
All right, let me ask you,
Start
who's the
adding
prosecutor on this
adding on
case?
extra names onto the case. She added extra names on the, wait a minute. You're talking to me. You're talking to me.
Are you the prosecutor on the
You're
case?
talking to me. You said John, you just said John Moore,
Are you
right?
planning on dismissing these charges? All right, so it sounds like they're gonna want a jury trial. Are you planning on offering something different than you've already offered? All right, so is your client going to accept anything or no?
He has just informed me, we talked last night, but he informed me this morning because of some of the particulars, he's not going to accept the agreement.
All right, so nothing will, it sounds as though you all are at an impasse. The state, you're saying that you're not gonna offer anything differently. And defense, I'm assuming there's no counter offer, right?
No, at this, I did, I made a counter offer to the state and they rejected it.
All right, so do you have all of the discovery?
I do have all the discovery, if I could, the one thing with moving forward, and it started last night with these outbursts, I'm starting to have potentially some competency issues. I want to stop and pause before I make that decision, but I think I'll need to file a suggestion or motion that he needs to be evaluated for, I really can't communicate with him right now, Judge. And that's part of what I have to do to make sure he's competent.
All right, so is the communication issue, and I don't want to interfere with attorney-client privilege, but is the communication more of he's not accepting your advice or you don't believe he understands?
Sometimes I don't believe he truly
If I didn't
understands.
understand, I would not respond. For
Okay,
one, don't insult me. If
All
I
right.
did not understand, I
all right,
wouldn't.
he can
Don't
be
insult me,
excused.
though.
Thank you.
Don't insult me.
All right, can we
You
set
sit
this
here
for
and
a jury
on the
trial?
case. You're ganging up
What
on
day?
me. I'm going, but don't insult me, sir. So if I did not understand the case, I would not respond. You understand that?
Today is.
So let me just tell you, today is Monday. If anybody thought today was not Monday, let me just tell you, today is Monday. Yes,
And I just started seeing this last night.
okay.
And I understand, I don't know when the court's gonna reset me. I would have to file a motion at this stage on the competency issue, Your Honor.
I would have no objection to that because I've had those concerns myself since I reviewed this case.
All
Well,
right,
and it's, for me, I hadn't seen it yet, but I saw it last night for the first time.
Yes.
all right. Ms. Ferguson, they're gonna file a motion to have him evaluated for competency. And I will say, this is the first time I've seen him be this way since he's come to court, so.
Same with me.
All right, so what we'll do, Norma, if you can set this for the second week in December, and that's to make sure that everything has been filed.
I can do a December 11th.
I will follow it this afternoon, and December, the second week of December is perfect for me. I live to snow ski and I'm gonna open it this year, the first week of December.
Okay,
So thank you, Your Honor, for that.
you're welcome. So State, were you able to tender an offer?
Yes, Judge, so last time, we had a specific study. Would you give
Everyone, please whisper.
Yes. Outstanding case, but I've been notified that that case has been closed down for the agents that not referred to us, and then I did provide some discovery to counsel today and did some.
Okay. And sir, how old are you?
23.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can set this in 30 days for plea deadline date, please.
Up to the 18th.
All right, so on December 18th, you need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not reached an agreement, your next court date will be a jury trial date, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have any questions about anything? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, today is your final plea deadline date. Have you all reached an agreement?
No, Your Honor, we haven't. If we could get a trial setting.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, who's the prosecutor on Mario Hernandez? All right, Norma, how long do y'all expect this trial? All right, Norma, jury trial date, 2 days. It's on page 1, last person, Mario Ernesto Hernandez.
I think the.
Your Honor,
January 6th.
yeah, I have no issue with that, Your Honor, at this point. We do have some other considerations that I want to address to the court. We have, or today, filing a lawsuit in federal court. I know that there is no requirement of you to both withhold your case while that case is pending. I'd like to be able to get some actual discovery from the police officers in that case outside of their statements. This was a single car accident. Mr. Hernandez's car, the facts will show, ended up in a ditch because of a mechanical failure. He was taken to the police station. He had cuts on his body. It wasn't until the lady that was at the mag said, "You need to go to the hospital." He then spends the next 3 weeks in the hospital for a broken sternum, broken ribs, a cracked skull. As you know, Your Honor, toxicology changes, levels of intoxication change over that period of time when you have a traumatic event. Police did not administer aid, and that's why we're filing that federal lawsuit in federal court. We have an expert in that case that's going to testify to this on this issue, but I also want to get
Issue this.
information.
Your legislative term, when does that begin? In
Oh,
2026?
Not until 2027.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, we've got plenty of time.
well, unless something else is called.
Well, who knows? I think that's a good question. I don't expect that to happen, Judge, but I do want to be able to at least, we recall, Mr. Hernandez is a U.S. veteran. He's had some issues. We've talked about swapping out the scram for ignition interlock. He's got a couple of cars, so that doesn't make it work. He does have an MRI that has to happen in late January. It will last for maybe a couple of days to have the scram removed because he can't go into the MRI machine, as you're
Right,
aware.
so his jury trial is going to be set for January 6, 2026. Once you sign the reset form, you all will be excused.
I understand that.
All right.
I'm
thank
just
you.
saying if it goes beyond that day.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, who's next?
Yes. Sir, can you have
I have Victor Fernandez, Miss Rashawn.
have him sign it over there?
He's on page
In the
16.
gallery,
You
we
down?
can bring it back.
I'm sorry, what?
He's on page 16, 2 down, Victor Fernandez.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, Judge. This is a compliance hearing. It's not really a compliance hearing. The last time Mr. Fernandez was in court, there was a mandate that he pay $800 a month towards his restitution.
Mhm.
You set this hearing to ensure that he's been paying it
Mhm.
and to see if there's been any other compliance issues.
Okay.
So Mr. Fernandez has been making regular payments of the $800 a month. There has not been any compliance issues. Mr. Fernandez did indicate to me that he had a heart attack on the 24th of last month,
Mhm.
which has placed him, his health in disarray and,
For short times, till they
Okay.
get my medication.
Okay.
and with his health issues happening the way that they're happening, he's not able to work as he has before.
Yeah.
And he's asking the court if we can take if you can take some type of consideration and lower his payments to $500 for a short period.
Okay, and what time frame are you all wanting these payments to?
Judge, I would ask for 6 months if possible. And then after the 6 months,
Back to the 800.
back to the 800.
Okay, we can do that.
Thank you, Judge. Do you have any other concerns that you want to talk to the judge about?
No, thanks.
All right, well, I hope they get your medication correct.
Yeah, because my blood pressure went up to 230
Oh,
and
that's.
I had a heart attack.
Okay,
Now it's like 170, but they keep switching the medications. Taking 6 different pills.
okay.
We're trying to get it right.
All right, well, make sure you take care of your health, okay? All right, and thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you, Judge.
all right, thank you.